Hello, dear student. Good morning. How are you? Dear student, I am present in front of you with a new topic, posture. So, posture. Many things depend on our postures. Just like this, our sitting style, standing style, and walking way. The many things depend on our postures. So, posture is the specific body position. So, body is the posture is the specific body position. It may be static or dynamic, such as sitting, standing, lying, walking, running, reading, etc. There are different views about postures. Different writers, they have described about the posture in different way. So first of all, according to physical educationist, what says about postures? So posture is a tool of mechanical efficiency of body. So physical educationist says that posture is a tool of mechanical efficiency of body which causes minimum stress to muscles. Moreover, maximum output of physical efficiency can be attained. So, if our posture will be accurate and posture is accurate, then we will give the less stress on our muscles and we can maximum output of physical efficiency can be attained. So, why this the minimum effort and maximum attained? According to doctor says that posture is soundness of physiological balance of body. So doctor says that posture is a soundness of physiological balance of body. So physiological balance, if our posture will be sound, then our physiological balance will be, the body is accurate. So just like this, according to actors, what says the actors? Posture is a tool to express emotions and attitudes. So actor says that posture is a tool to express their emotions and attitudes. So there are different writers, they are given to the different uh, definition, but their meaning is same. That our postures, sitting, standing, lying, walking, running, reading, etc. There are everything tell us about. According to doctor, that physiological balance of the body. According to doctor says that emotion, attitude, and physical educationist says that on the minimum stress of muscles we can get the maximum output. So from the above we can conclude that good posture help the body to function efficiently and effectively. Good posture reflect the personality of an individual. Moreover, it shows that expression, emotions, and attitude of mind. Thus, posture is more than just the physical condition of an individual. Correct or good posture is the position of the body held without any sense of effort. The efficiency of body depend upon good postures. It is directly related to the health status of an individual. By adopting the correct postures, the various organs of the body get rest, the body does not get easily tired, and the person remain in sound health. So good posture keep us our bones in their natural shape and in proper alignment. So it is a very important role of the postures. Now correct standing postures. So first of all you have to read about the how to stand correct standing postures. Standing is one of the most common activities which has improved the human race from the four legs to by two legs. It provides static and dynamic action to humans. The correct standing posture is held without any sense of effort. Standing is a position in which the body is held in the upright position and supported only by the feet. In correct standing posture, feet apart 4 to 6 inches, roughly shoulder width. Feet should be parallel to each other and balance evenly on both feet. So balance between the both feet should be equal, and distance between the both foot 4 to 6 inches. One should stand straight and erect, and our standing position should be straight and erect positions. Hold the head straight, chin parallel to floor. Keep shoulders, hips, and knees in straight line. Body weight on both legs and evenly balanced. From side view, ear, shoulders, hip, knee, and ankle should be centered along an imaginary straight line. The center of the gravity should be with the center of the feet. So this is the way how to we should stand. So standing postures we have read now. Just now we have read about the correct walking postures. So in walking posture, feet stretches, pushes the ground, and then weight is transferred on the toe. This is called heel toe action. So walking should look smooth, efficient, and graceful. So just like this correct sitting posture. So how we should sit. Sitting is also one of the common activities in which most of our time is spent. In correct sitting posture, the backbone should be correct so that natural curve should be visible. The upper region of the backbone should be straight against the back of the chair. Head should be in line with hip and shoulders. So the arms should be balanced and the base should touch the back of the chair. The right should the thighs should be in straight line, resting on the seat of the chair, and legs should rest vertically on feet. So correct sitting postures. Suppose that you are working on your laptop or computer. The top of your screen should be at eye level. The chair should completely supported your thighs. Your legs should be bent in 90 to 100-degree angle. Your feet should be flat on the floor. Make sure you relax your shoulders. Your forearms should be parallel to the floor. The chair should have a backrest that supported your lower back. So this is the position of the sitting, how we should sit. So you know that when our postures will be correct while we are sitting, standing, lying, walking, running, reading, writing, whatever things we are doing, that time our posture should be correct. So there are the many kinds of advantage of the correct postures you have read here. The advantages of the correct postures. So first of all, you are watching here that attractive physical appearance. When our postures will be correct, then the first image of personality comes through good postures. A good postures make individual appear smart, good looking, charming, and attractive. So understand. So the first advantage of correct postures, attractive physical appearance. Second, improves health status. So when correct posture of the body reflect positive health status of an individual. Good posture is an image of good health and sound body. So our health status also can be improved by the our good posture. Next, psychological balance. So psychological balance, a good posture improve the psychological balance of the body and mind. It improve the activeness of mind and lead to the optimum development. So if our posture will be accurate, correct posture will be, then a good posture improve the psychological balance of the body and mind. It improve the activeness and of mind and the lead of the optimum development. Now lesser strain and pain over joint. So our good posture causes the less strain and pain over joint at each distribute the body weight equally over the joint. So that's why our joint will not get pain. Next, improve social status. So our if our posture will be correct bread, then our social status also can be improved. The good physique reflect positive social qualities. Good postures is an image of happy lifestyle and social well-being of an individual. So our by this our social status can also be improved. Next, better functioning of body system. So if our um, posture will be accurate, then our body, uh, all organs, all systems can be better functioning. Can do better functioning. The various system of the body get full chance to function while it good posture is maintained. It provide the optimum functions of internal organs. So our posture will be there that no any organs can stress, and they all organs the all organs can do functioning better. Next, you are watching here, improve appetite. So you know that many people says that they are not feeling appetite, they are not feeling illness because they don't know about their posture. So our posture will be accurate, then our stomachs all part of the stomach like liver can do better work. So good posture increase the appetite, thus health status is improved. Moreover, it causes the less pressure over the abdomen, thus digestive organs function properly. So that's why our improved appetite can be improved. Next, reduce postural deformity. So you know that why the our wrong postures, sometimes many people they suffer from the postural deformity. So if our posture will be accurate, then we can also reduce the postural deformity. So correct posture help to the prevent the postural deformities. Thus, the health problem are reduced like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knees, flat foot, bow legs. There are many kinds of the postural deformities. They can also reduced by the postural, by the these correct postures. Now, better skill perfection. So, good postures help to improve the skills, thus more perfection in activity. It makes the movement graceful. So, our skill when we are learning any kinds of game, our posture will be the accurate. Our posture will be correct. Then we can make the movement graceful, and we can do any kinds of activity in perfect way. So next, better selection of player. So correct posture of the players help the coaches and teachers for the better selection of players for various activities. So any coach or any teacher they want to select for any team. So any player. So first of all they watch their correct posture. So correct posture also play a very important role for the selecting in any team. Next, optimum physical efficiency. So, good posture provide the optimum opportunity to an individual to improve the physical efficiency and fitness. So, our fitness and physical efficiency can be improved by the good postures. Next, good body balance. So, correct posture provide the good body balance, thus more stability of individual while performing workout. So, our good body balance will be then our muscles can get less stress on muscles, and they can give the maximum output. So these are the all advantage of the correct postures. So to stand, when we are anytime we are not reading here only, you have to apply these all things on your daily life, your sitting way, your walking way, your running way, your lying way, everything. So you have to, when you are writing or reading, so our posture will be accurate, then you will do the maximum time for your study or any activities. Suppose that you are playing, then your correct posture will be, then there are many kinds of advantage already I have taught you. So these all advantage you can get. Now we have to read about the causes of bad postures. So different sometimes our habits, but few causes also can be occur our bad postures. There are many causes of bad postures. Some are the environmental causes maybe, and others may be due to the heredity. Bad postures causes many health problems. It reduces the physical output, or efficiency to a great extent. It lead the psychological stress, bad looking, less social acceptance, etc. It is the major causes of many posture problems like kyphosis, round shoulders, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knees, bow legs, flat foot, etc. Bad posture can easily be corrected and prevented if early steps are taken. Some of the general causes of bad posture are given below here. So you are watching here the first of all accident. So sometimes bad postures arise due to the accident. It may be the causes the postural deformity. Next, disease. So many kinds of the health problems like disease, illness, and chronic sickness cause the bad posture. These are also the disease, also the main causes of the bad postures. Next, lack of nutritional diet. So sometimes bad posture arise due to the unbalanced diet, over diet, under diet, and lack of nutritional diet. That's why it can also causes the lack of bad postures, lack of nutritional diet. It can also the causes of the bad postures. Next, wrong postural habit. The wrong seating posture or wrong postural habit during the sitting, standing, lying, working, etc. causes the bad posture. Next, improvement, improper treatment. So sometimes the improper treatment of wrong treatment for curing the injury cause bad postures or postural deformities. So you know that sometimes a doctor do the wrong treatment, improper treatment. That's why it can also the postural deformity. Next, psychological stress. So psychological stress also in life that leads to the mental tension, unbalanced emotions, or behavioral changes sometimes lead to the postural deformity. Lack of sufficient strength, the poor muscular strength, or the unbalanced strength of antagonist and antagonist muscles cause postural deformities. Each factor in old age the muscular strength reduced, thus bad posture may arise. Poor eyesight cause the strain over head and neck, thus body bend forward and it may causes the bad postures. Bad shoes or clothing. So some cases in some cases bad posture arise due to the poor quality shoes or clothing. So these are the all factors that affect our posture. So these are the main causes of the bad posture. So dear student, today I have taught you these postures. So you have to revise and learn also and write in copy and show me. Few students they are working and they are showing they are active, but few students they are not doing any kinds of work, they are not showing any kinds of work. So please student, you don't think that if school will open then we will start study. You know that we don't know that how much time this lockdown period will be running will run. So we have to study online, so we have to change your habit, then you have to respond. Few students they are giving very good response, but few students they are not giving any kinds of response. So please you give response. You don't think that school will open, sir will teach again this chapter. I will not teach this chapter again, only I will take test. When course will be complete and I will take test, I will not teach again. So dear student, please whatever things I am saying you, please cooperate. We are everything we are saying only for you. You know that June has been gone, now July, August, September, October, November, December. So we don't know the this lockdown period what will be, school will open or not open, we don't know about this. But whatever times we are spending our at home, then we should use proper time. So okay, thank you, bye bye, and we will meet soon again with a new topic.